Love begins quietly, in moments we never notice. Ang pagmamahal ay isang napakagandang bahagi ng ating buhay. Pero minsan, akala mong walang hanggang pagsasama ay isa palang malaking kasinungalingan. And just like that, forever disappeared. Minsan, ang tadhana ay hindi kumakatok. It crushes. In the ruins of what was lost, something new begins to breathe.